you looking at me?
No, nothing. nothing.
Why are you licking your lips like that?
No, nothing. My mouth is scratching me.
You are just licking your lips like that.
Good luck. Look at that thing there. Look at that. See that snake? It is moving. It want to move like this.
Hey, okay, that one that is there.
Yeah, it's moving like
That's passing like this.
It's passing like this. Now head is this side now. That side.
Okay. But that is not snake.
Snake now. Look at it. It's green, white, green. Nigerian flag. Yeah.
I've not seen that type of.
Look well. Look straight. Run the head.
I've not seen that type of.
Very important. Look.
But I've not seen anything. No.
Yeah, it's snake. Have you seen it?
I've not seen. Jesus Christ. Uncle, why did you finish my drink now?
I was reading about the 36 million naira snake.
Bet me, I'll do you back.
You cannot do
I'll
anything.
do you back.
Look at this one.
You that used to pick money on the road.
Me pick money. Good luck.
Uncle, money.
Good luck. See, I'm going to the bank. Are you hearing me? I am going to withdraw my salary. So we'll pay for our house rent and other things. So stay cool. I'll pass that road when I'm coming back. Are you hearing?
That bush road.
Yeah, that bush road. I'll pass it and come back.
Your face is like this. What happened now?
My salary.
What happened to it?
My salary. I was coming back from that bush road side. I was coming back. I don't saw money on the floor. I dropped my bag to pick the money. As I didn't turn back, I did not see my bag again. I didn't turn back again to pick the money. I did not see the money again. The 2 money, I did not even pick anyone. I did not even carry my money itself. It's not like I've gone. Hunger will kill us in this house.
Hunger can never kill us in this life.
By the way, who gave you money to buy laptop and chicken?
Uncle, you know we are big boys. Me and my friend, we do Yahoo. We are Yahoo boys. Relax. Calm down.
Good luck. So tell me, how did you get the money to buy all these snacks and this laptop and this chicken here?
Uncle, remember that day that we were under that tree and you drank my drink and I told you I will do you back. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Uncle, why did you finish my drink now?
How? I was reading about the 36 million naira snake.
Bet me, I'll do you back. I'll do you. Uncle, as you we are coming back today.
So you mean use my salary to buy all these things?
Yes.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Share this video.
Subscribe.
Share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, and everybody. For booking, sponsorship, adverts, please call the numbers on your screen and send us a mail at praizevitorcomedy@gmail.com. See you next time. Peace up. Don't forget to subscribe.
Share.